I'm Maria Velastegui, and this is my final ad presentation. I'm going to talk about the Plato's Closet ad. I chose this brand because it's my favorite clothing store. It's for teens or women, and they sell brown clothing, and it's really pretty. I highly recommend. Starting with the original ad, with the principle of repetition. As you can see, the first thing that you can notice are the arrows located on the top and the bottom. It's very consistent because they're going on a certain direction and position. Then we have the principle of alignment, which, starting with this word trends, it's on the same position as her hat. And also they're very well distributed as with her body. Next, it's a typography, which the ad is using a screen font. Now it's very popular and classy, and also it's given like a casual style, and it goes with the clothes that they sell. Next, its color, starting with the purple, it's contrasting the green font, and it's very strong, and then it goes to a light color. The white, it's applying on the text with it's standing from the turquoise background. The turquoise, it's covering with that decorate half of the ad, and it's also applied on the arrows right here. And about the new ad, I chose a picture similar than the original ad, where the sunlight is reflecting on my face, and also it has a good lighting on my body. And I choose a similar green background and the mountains right here. And the color, I chose the same colors, starting with the purple, but also the arrows are going to a different position than the ad. And I choose a handwriting style to keep keep casual style, and the turquoise decorate, then it's from the right to the left, covering half of the picture too, and the arrows right here with the turquoise color. Next, the principle of alignment. The logo, it's aligned with these two elements right here, with my head and also with the arrows. The same as the text, it's aligned with my shoulder, and finally it's the bottom, it's aligned with my arm. The text, which is giving like a really consistent style to the picture and ad. And to conclude, I can say that the principle of the signs are really important to give a professional look and very good presentation to the ad.